Just from my own experience and knowing that you can come from any challenge, no matter how big or small, and still achieve the goal that you're working for, that's what I want to make sure that everybody knows they can do and they know how to do. The really common themes in my family actually are teenage pregnancies, high school dropouts, trailer parks.
Her literal rags to riches story is incredible, and it's inspirational to anyone hearing the message. What the steps are that they can take to do the same things and achieve some of the same success that Amy has achieved.
I'm just going to continue to increase my capacity, and as I do that, things happen, right?
Amy goes over a lot of challenges that she had growing up, and it's so relatable to so many different people, and it really has something for absolutely everybody.
The way that students will benefit from hearing Amy Muller's message is that they're going to have a formula to live a better life, to live a more fulfilling adventure, and to help a lot more people along the way.
Today really isn't about me. I'm here because it's about you guys. And what I really want to know is when you think about your own life, are there aspects of your life that you want to change? Have any of you ever been in a place where even if you're in a good place, you still want to get to a higher level? The amazing thing is that some of your challenges will not be a challenge of your talent. They will be a challenge of your conviction. Do you believe that you can get there?
She's able to kind of help you realize that where you're at right now doesn't mean that you're going to be there for the rest of your life. You've got opportunities to grow and change, and it doesn't matter where you're coming from, that you've always got room to grow and become kind of whatever you want to be.
A choice always is the beginning of increasing your capacity. What's a choice you're going to start making after this event that's going to help you achieve your goals? When I finish a message, the thing I'm hoping most that the audience takes away from it are two things. I want to make sure they're inspired, so that no matter what's going on in their lives, they know that they can work on the next step for them. And I want to make sure they know how to do it, because inspiration without the know-how doesn't get you very far, and the know-how of that inspiration doesn't have the motivation of all that you need to actually go after it. So both, I think, are really necessary.